Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Welcome to a little day in my life. If you guys are new here, welcome. I'm Kaylan. I am 24 years old, post-grad, and basically just trying to figure out life right now. Today's video, obviously by the title, is just like a day in the life, pretty average. We're not really doing too much, but I feel like it's been forever since I've like really sat down and talked to you guys. One of my 2022 goals is to just like start filming like my average, just like ordinary everyday life, and not always feeling like I need to go do something in my videos because that's not realistic. I need to save money, and I know you guys, and I feel like that also just makes it like 100 times more relatable as well. I just feel like it's been a while and I miss you guys, and I just want to update you guys on how 2022 is going so far, just like how I'm feeling for the new year. But you guys will be very proud of me, hopefully. This is my first Starbucks, my first coffee out of 2022. It is January 8th. And I have not bought a single coffee, and I used a gift card, so I actually like didn't spend my money on this, but still, this is my first like not homemade coffee of 2022. Very proud of myself, and it tastes so good. But yeah, so I think the first thing that we're gonna do is go make the bed, I wanna say, because we've been really bad about making the bed in the morning, and I feel like when your bed's made, then your room feels more put together, then you feel more put together for the day. So I think that's what we're gonna go do, is make the bed. But yeah, I'm really excited for this vlog. Like I said, it's gonna be really chatty. I'm excited to catch up with you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it, and welcome to a little day in my life. I'm gonna set you guys up here. I really do not have like any good places in here to set you guys. I left up our little like snowballs that we have on our bed. I think it looks really cute, and it's really wintry. But before I came up here, I thought of something that I wanted to talk to you guys about, because I feel like it's not necessarily an unpopular opinion that I have, but like I don't know, you guys will see. But basically, I saw a news article that said like that Charli D'Amelio was the highest paid TikToker, and she made 17 million last year, I guess. And so I was like, that's crazy, good for her. She's obviously way more successful than I am. So I went to her TikTok, and I was like going through her TikToks, obviously, just to see what she posts, because I know like the D'Amelio sisters, but I honestly, like, that's my unpopular opinion, I guess, is like I don't really like TikTok. I don't dislike it, but babe, mommy's making the bed. Come on, mommy's making the bed. Yeah. Our neighbor's dog also is going crazy right now. How about you get down, get down, get down. Here, I'll open the window for you. Get down. Come on, get down. Good girl, come on. Get down here. Mommy will open the window. Come here. Look, good girl. Look out the window. Good girl. Anyways, like I was saying, I went to her TikTok to see obviously what she posts to make $17 million. And I mean, I like the sisters. They seem really nice. Like, she's really pretty. Like, I don't know. But, and I'm not trying to, I want to make it very clear that I'm not trying to hate or anything, because like I said, she's obviously doing something right, and she's way more successful than I am. But I just didn't see really anything that different than like a normal TikToker, I guess. It just was kind of like the same, singing into the camera. Like, she can dance really good, but like just like pretty like basic average TikToks. And for me, like, I think it's just because I don't really like TikTok. Something about it, like, I feel like I like YouTube because I feel like you can like get to know someone, like you really have that connection, like you're hanging out with someone. Whereas like TikTok, I'm literally out of breath, by the way, from coming up the stairs and making the bed. It's not good. But anyways, I just feel like TikTok, like, you don't really get that like personal connection with someone. Like, you're like watching someone rather than like hanging out, you know what I mean? I don't know, that's just how I feel. I'm really not into like reels or TikToks. I like reels because they're like mixed in with pictures on Instagram, but like I just don't scroll ever on TikTok. Let me know, like, what do you guys think about TikTok in general? And like, if you like TikTok, like, what about it do you like? Because for some reason I just cannot find like what makes it so enjoyable to everybody. Every once in a while I'll get on there, but maybe I'm just also watching the wrong TikToks, because I don't know, I don't really watch anyone in particular. I just kind of scroll on my feed. I'm sorry, this is probably so annoying, me going back and forth, but if you do like TikTok, let me know like what do you actually like enjoy about it. That's just like my unpopular kind of opinion on TikTok. I feel like people either like love TikTok or they hate it, but yeah, so let me know on that. Bed is made. It feels so much better in here already. with just the bed made. Like I said, if you guys want to just feel better about your space, make your bed. I know like so many people don't make their bed in the morning, and that's something that we're really trying to do because it just makes your space feel so much better, so much cleaner, just with your bed being made, and it takes 2 seconds. So get in the habit of making your bed. I promise you will feel so much better. Blinds are open, the bed is made. I already feel so much better in here with just the bed made. And then for the last final touch, we just need to turn on the salt lamp and the bedroom is done. We are back in the kitchen. I'm gonna make a quick lunch. I've been making this lunch like every single day, you guys, and it is so good. I look forward to it every day. It's just delicious. I also just applied a self tan. I just got out of the shower, so that's why my neck and like my hands are really dark. So when we go upstairs, I'll show you guys the tan that I use. It's just the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express, but I actually have a really good affordable alternative, and I have the bottle upstairs too. My hair is it's just crazy. It's just whatever, but I know Loving Tan can be out of budget. It's a little pricey. I actually got some for Christmas, so that's why I have it, but I'll show you guys when we go upstairs the different bottles that I use. So as a quick lunch, I'm just making a little English muffin with peanut butter and banana, and then a really, really good smoothie. I'll show you guys what's in the smoothie. But these are the English muffins that we use. They're just the Simple Truth Organic Oats and Honey English muffins. We just basically make sure that there's no like high fructose corn syrup in any of the bread that we eat. So while the English muffins are in the toaster, I'm gonna make my smoothie. This is like the mix that I've been using. It's just a Simple Truth Organic strawberry banana like frozen fruit. This makes it so easy just because you can literally just pour it in rather than like cutting up fresh bananas and strawberries. So I'm just gonna add some of this. Oh my gosh, okay, so I'd say about like this much I typically add, and then I add in a fresh banana. I feel like the fresh banana just makes it like a little bit creamier, just so it's not like only frozen fruit. And then I just do a little bit of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I actually like despise almond milk. I hate it, but for some reason I really like it in my smoothies. So I drink it like where I can, but like I just cannot have a glass of like cookies and almond milk. I just find it like really gross. And then to top it off, I just add the tiniest bit of orange juice in here. Just like a little bit. Like that's good. I don't know why, like I just decided to do this one day and it adds a really nice flavor to it. I don't even really know what the flavor is, but I just like the orange juice in there. It just adds more flavor. And here you have it. Super easy, takes 2 seconds to make, and it is delicious. Lunch is ready. This is what it looks like, you guys. This is so good. Like I said, I literally crave this every day now. This is how the English muffins turned out. They taste way better than they look. And then this is the smoothie. I'll link these down below because these are by far the best reusable straws that I've ever tried, if it'll ever focus. It looks gross because I already drank out of it, but they're actually glass, but I haven't had any issues with them like breaking in the dishwasher. And then they also come with the like, I don't want to say like the curvy kind, but you know, the kind that like has the curve in it too. So I will link those down below for you guys. But I'm actually going to do a little bit of work on my computer, and then I will show you guys after the self tanner that I used and just like chat about like my goals and how I feel like 2022 is going so far. But first, before we get into that, I need to eat because I am very hungry. All right, I have to make this quick because my camera's gonna die, but I just finished eating lunch and I wanted to show you guys the self tanners that I mentioned downstairs because I love these. These are by far my 2 favorite self tanners that I've ever used. So the first one, like I said, is the Loving Tan 2-Hour Express in medium. I used to actually get the dark one, but for me the medium has like the most natural looking tan. I still get a really good glow with it, but it's not as like harsh, like, you know, like if you mess up, like it's not as severe like on your hands, or like even if you miss a spot, it just has like more like a natural finish. But like I said, I know it can be out of budget. The only reason why I have this right now is because I specifically asked for this for Christmas, and then before that I did a paid video or like a sponsored video with Loving Tan. I just got some on my fingers with Loving Tan. If it weren't for that, I would not have this because we're trying to save some money this year. We're on a budget, so that's why I actually have this, because this is what I was using before I got that for Christmas. This is a St. Maurice tanning mousse. I always use a mousse. I get this one in dark just because I don't feel like their medium is as dark as Loving Tan's, but this is a great alternative if you guys are looking for a really good affordable self tanner. I think it's only like $12. It's really, really good. Obviously, I like Loving Tan better, but after I use this bottle, I'm not gonna spend the $45, or it might even be closer to like $50 after tax on this. I'm definitely going to be just like repurchasing this year because like I said, we're trying to save money, we're on a budget. But yeah, I just want to show you guys these because I love self-tanning. I typically always have a self-tan on, so these are two really good options if you want to like treat yourself, get yourself, you know, a nicer self-tanner. Definitely recommend the Loving Tan. I know everyone talks about this one, so I also wanted to mention this one because this one is really good too. So I'm gonna do some work, charge my camera, and then we'll come back and talk about some goals. Late afternoon coffee is made. Look how cute this little dog mom cup is. I love it, but it is like 5 o'clock right now and it is dark out. I made this coffee like 30 minutes ago and I could not find a spot to put you guys. It took me like literally 4 different rooms, and I actually started filming this one time and I was like, no, the lighting was not good. So hopefully this lighting is good, but I charged my camera. I washed off my self-tan, so we're nice and clean. I just put on some comfy clothes for the night, and I just wanted to like sit down, drink some coffee, and talk to you guys about how I'm feeling just basically for 2022. I'm just feeling different about this year in a good way, and I'm really excited for it. I know I shared a lot of my goals in my 2022 reset, but I want this to be more focused towards like YouTube and content creation and not just like me in general. But basically, just to make it simple, I want to rebrand myself, my channel, my Instagram, just like my personal brand. I just want to do like a good rebrand and just make it more me and more, I don't want to say simple, but I just feel like I started to watch girls who are a lot younger than me, probably like 6 months ago, I would say. I found a few like YouTubers that I really liked. They're like 18 and they were basically like the I don't want to say traditional, like the typical Brandy Melville, like 17, 18-year-old girls. Nothing wrong with that. If you are that age, you love Brandy Melville, good for you. I love them too. But I feel like we all know like the type of content creators, like they're just very aesthetic, very Pinteresty, and they're so much younger than me. I'm 24 and I just almost felt like really discouraged and like bad about myself. And I'm like, when I was 18, I was not doing that, and I'm not even doing that now at 24. I don't look like that, I don't act like that, I don't have the things that they have, and I feel like I was just getting very discouraged in like this stage of life that I'm in. And then I started watching people my age, right? So I found Carter Sullivan, love her channel so much, Jenna Hong, and they're a smaller content, not even smaller, I mean they're obviously bigger than I am, but smaller, like they don't have millions of subscribers. Smaller content creators who are in the same stage of life that I am, and they have 9-to-5 jobs. They're very relatable, and I felt so much better honestly after starting to watch their videos. To me, that kind of content spoke to me so much more and was just so much more relatable to me than like watching some 18-year-old girl travel to Paris and buy a Louis Vuitton bag. So basically the kind of content that like I want to start creating is, well, one, I started doing budgeting videos. Loved doing them so much. I think you guys really enjoyed them too. You guys were liking them, commenting on them, really engaging with them, and I love like feeling like I'm actually giving you guys some value that you can like use in your own personal life and inspire you and just give you like new ideas to budget, to save some money. I just think you guys will get a lot more out of my channel doing those type of videos. And then on top of those videos, I just want to start showing you guys more of like my everyday life and like obviously doing more vlogs. I don't want to say that my vlogs are like staged or set up, but normally I plan my schedule around when I'm gonna vlog, so that way when I do vlog, I can do more interesting stuff in the vlog. I can go to Home Goods, I can go get my nails done, I can do this, I can do that. I feel like it makes it a little bit more unrelatable because that's not what I'm doing on a daily basis. I just kind of plan the vlog around that, or like plan my activities around the vlog. But like I said, I really want to be relatable, and I just want you guys to know that like you don't have to have the most expensive lifestyle or the most exciting life to really enjoy life and get the most out of it. And just because I quit my 9-to-5 job and started my own business, I don't want that to seem unrelatable, because no matter what I'm doing for work, I'm still trying to figure it out. You know, I could have my 9-to-5 job, I could have my own business, but I still work every single day. I'm still doing activities outside of work. So I feel like that's the relatable part, is just like trying to figure out life and trying to figure out work and just having a good work-life balance. So no matter what I do for work, I feel like it can still be really relatable to you guys as well. So that's my plan. I really want to just have a rebrand, just really be more authentic and just more, I don't want to even say normal, but just like I said, I'm a 24-year-old girl. pretty ordinary, just, you know, trying to figure life out, and I feel like you guys are probably in a similar position maybe. I also am switching my posting schedule because I was posting Sundays and Wednesdays. I really like that. I saw a lot of growth on my channel and you guys seem to really like that consistency. And then I switched it back to just Sundays when we started Amazon, and then now it's just kind of like whenever the video's done. It's usually around Sunday. It's like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, sometimes Tuesday. So we're going back to the old posting schedule of Sundays and Wednesdays. I definitely want to do Sundays. Don't know if I want to do Wednesdays or Thursdays. You guys let me know in the comments down below, because honestly I'll do whatever days you guys want. I just feel like Wednesday is like a good midpoint. It is 6 o'clock actually. I've been talking for way too long. I've been sitting here forever. I'm actually about to go pick up some dinner from my parents, and then we're gonna crack a bottle of wine. I'm in the mood for some wine. We have an extra bottle. I'll show you guys. It's just Yellowtail, you know, on a budget, but it's actually really good. Wine of the night, we're getting very fancy with some Yellowtail. This is Merlot. Really can't tell the difference between red wines. They all taste pretty gross to me, but I do like to drink red wines just because they have a lot less sugar. I'm trying to cut back on sugar than white wine. So you're gonna have a glass of Yellowtail Merlot, and I always put ice in it because it like makes it, I don't know, I feel like it makes it less bitter, like the coldness of it. So we're gonna have a glass of this. Someone please tell me why I've had the itch lately to play The Sims for whatever reason. I literally have my glass of wine, my laptop, because I'm gonna sit down here and play The Sims. It is a Saturday night. I have not played in a few months. I downloaded this a few months ago when I was like one night I just like wanted to play The Sims. And for some reason right now I really want to play. I used to play all the time with one of my friends growing up. Like we would literally play for hours and like literally all day, every day that we were together. So it's been forever, but I did download it on my laptop and I think I'm gonna play The Sims, drink some wine. This is self-care as a 24-year-old who has no social life. Cheers. How nostalgic is this to you right now for those of you that played The Sims? Oh my gosh, it's been forever. Yeah, I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with The Sims because I'm pretty sure 99.99% of you are probably like, girl, you're 24 years old. You're playing The Sims? Absolutely I am. I don't play every weekend, but like I said, I just like to grab a glass of wine, play The Sims, turn on one of my shows and relax while Devin goes and does his own thing. But yeah, I don't know. It's what I like to do. I think I'm just gonna wrap up the video here because honestly, I'm gonna be here for probably the next like 2 hours and then I'm gonna go read and then go to bed for the night, and then I need to get up bright and early to edit this so that way I can get this up for you guys Sunday, which is tomorrow. So I need to actually edit this entire vlog. Maybe I'll edit a little bit tonight and then edit in the morning. I always do this to myself. I need to start getting in a better editing routine too, because I always try to edit an entire video like the morning that I want to upload it, and then it just like doesn't work out. I'm literally editing from like 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and it's just way too much. So I need to start getting ahead on my editing. That's something that I need to do in 2022 too. So I'm actually gonna write down my goals. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This one was probably a little bit more chatty than I want, but I feel like it's been a minute. I feel like I just had, you know, some stuff. I just wanted to just talk to you guys. So I will start including a little bit more than this because I know I didn't really include anything else except me literally talking. But if you made it this far, I really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. And yeah, I'm just really excited for 2022 and what it's gonna bring us. And I think that it's gonna be a really fun time. And I hope you guys are ready because I definitely am. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.